Hey there! Welcome back to Tech Kingo. Today we're checking out the best protein shaker bottles that make mixing your drinks quick, smooth, and hassle-free. If you are tired of clumpy shakes and messy bottles, this could be exactly what you need. Stick around to see why this option stands out. Let's get started.
So the product we're talking about is the Blender Bottle Classic V2 protein shaker bottles. And right away, you get great value because it comes in a pack of 3. Each bottle has a 20-ounce capacity, which gives you enough space to mix your protein shakes, smoothies, or any supplement drink without feeling too big or too small. One of the most important features is the updated V2 design with a rounded base. The Blender Bottle Classic V2 protein shaker bottles are designed to improve mixing performance. That rounded bottom helps ingredients move freely inside the bottle, so you get a smoother blend every time without powder sticking to the corners. Another standout feature is the panded mixing system. Inside each bottle, you get a 3/16 surgical-grade stainless steel blender ball wire whisk. This small metal ball does a big job. When you shake the bottle, it moves around and breaks down clumps, giving you a clean and smooth drink. It saves you time and effort compared to manual mixing. The wide-mouth design also makes a big difference. The Blender Bottle Classic V2 protein shaker bottles allow you to easily add protein powder, liquids, or even ice without spilling. It makes the whole process quicker and less messy. You also get clear embossed measurement markings on the side. These markings show both ounces and milliliters, so you can measure your ingredients accurately. This is really helpful when you want consistent results every time you prepare your drink. The screw-on lid is designed to create a secure and leak-proof seal. Once you close it, you do not have to worry about spills in your bag. It keeps everything safely inside, even when you are on the move. Another thoughtful feature is the flip cap with spout guard. This keeps the drinking area clean by protecting it from dirt and germs. It is a small detail, but it makes a big difference in everyday use. The wide loop top is also very practical. You can easily carry the bottle with your finger or attach it to a bag or hook. It adds convenience, especially when you are moving around. In terms of build quality, the Blender Bottle Classic V2 protein shaker bottles feel strong and durable. They are made to handle daily use without any issues, so you can rely on them for a long time. When it comes to design, these bottles look clean, modern, and functional. The shape, size, and features all work together to create a simple but effective product that feels great to use. Simple, smart, and super reliable. If you are interested, check the price link in the description and see if it fits your needs. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more awesome product videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.